Hey guys, my name is Noelle and I just wanted to take a quick minute just to talk to you about this amazing company that I'm a part of and how you can possibly get healthier, live longer, look better, and make money from home just like I do. So whoever invited you to this video, make sure that when this is done, you get back with them. You thank them for this opportunity to learn a little bit more, and just know that if they sent you this video, they think the world of you and they really want to see you just thrive, okay? So make sure that you get back with them as soon as you're done watching this. So I just wanted to share with you a little bit about my story. I'm a prior military wife, and within that time, I have done everything. I have waited a lot of tables. I've worked customer service. I've done retail. I was a real estate agent. I've been a barista, you name it, okay? So long story short, my husband and I got pregnant with our first baby girl, and we did not have the money for me to not be working. That was just our situation. We had credit card debt, we had student loan debt, we had a car payment, and we were drowning, you guys. So we were in a situation where I had to work. And I never knew that I wanted to be a stay-at-home mom till I had my little girl. And I shouldn't say I wanted to be a stay-at-home mom. I always wanted to work, but I didn't want to miss anything at the same time. And I didn't know that there was an opportunity for me to work and be there for her at the same time. And so this business has given me that chance to be a working mom, to be a full-time mom, but provide full-time for my family. And so I'm really excited to share with you a little bit about this opportunity. I promise I won't take too much of your time, but thank you for listening to my rambles for just a minute. So that first year, you guys, I was working double shifts. I was working 12 to 16 hours a day, and I missed her entire first year. And you know what? That broke my heart. I did not want to have to do that anymore. So when he got out of the military, I still had to work. We were still struggling. We were paycheck to paycheck, and it seemed like every time we got $1,000 in savings, something else would break, and we would be back at square one. And it was this perpetual cycle of always fighting about finances and never having enough and just never feeling like we were going to get ahead. And I was so tired of that. So when I first came across this company, I was actively looking for something to do from home. At the time, I was working 3 part-time jobs with her in tow, and I was like, I need something where I can stop dragging her around, where I can make a little bit of extra money for my family from home. And you know what? This came across my Facebook news feed. My girlfriend started posting some belly pictures that were transformational. She posted her own picture. She had had 4 kids and lost 170 pounds. And she posted her pictures of her results after she tried this crazy wrap thing. And I was like, I need to know what that is because I want to try it. And you know what? She told me about the business opportunity, and I'm so glad that she did, because I started just for $500 a month to help pay off some debt. And within my first 4 months, you guys, I was making $6,000 a month, and I had earned a $10,000 bonus. And within 2 years, I was making multiple 6 figures. So I don't tell you that to brag about the money. I tell you that to impress upon you the possibilities that come with this company, okay? So let me just tell you a little bit more about It Works. We were founded in 2001. We are a debt-free company, which I absolutely love. That's one of my favorite things, and one of the reasons I can really stand behind this company, because they don't just tell us what to do, they show us what to do. They have shown us for so many years, and they do everything with extreme integrity and just the best leadership you can imagine. All of our products are non-GMO. They're very clean. We teach people how to live longer, look better, lose weight, and just live better naturally. And so many people are looking for that right now. They're looking for an alternative to the pharmaceuticals. They're tired of, getting on something that has 20 different side effects when they just need it to target one health issue. And so we get to help people target their health issues naturally, and we get to work with them and just help them make better decisions for their life. And so you're like, who is your target client? My target client is men or women ages 18 to 100 who have skin. So if you know anybody who is a man or a woman, age 18 to 100, who has skin, that is your potential client. Those are your potential customers. So just a little bit about some of the people that are a part of It Works. Like I said, I told you my story, military wife, real estate agent, jack of all trades. You guys, we have people in this business who are nurse practitioners, college professors, real estate agents, pediatricians. We also have people that are high school dropouts, stay at home, single moms, like everything across the board, because this industry does not discriminate. If you are looking for a way to leverage your time and bring in residual income, this is for you. Now let me talk to you about the leverage time for just a minute, because this was huge for me when I was looking for a really great opportunity for my family. What this means is that if you have no time, which I'm assuming a lot of you are like, I don't have time for anything else, I'm busy, right? You got jobs, one or multiple. You have kids, you have extracurricular activities, you have commitments, you have all of these things, and you're like, I don't have time for anything else. What this means is that you can do what most people in this business do and work this 1 to 4 hours a day in the nooks and crannies of your day, and you can build an empire. Now let me explain to you like what that looks like with the leverage time a little bit, and then we'll talk about the residual income in just a second. So if you can only work this business 2 hours a day, let's say you do 30 minutes before you go to work in the morning and you do an hour and a half when you get home at night before bed, okay? 2 hours a day. You can only work at 2 hours a day. But then you go find 3 girlfriends who also want to work this business and they can only do it 2 hours a day. Well, guess what? You're getting paid for 8 hours of work when you can only invest 2. That is the power of leverage time. Okay, now let's talk about the residual income for just a second, because so many people don't really understand that. But you know what? We all have residual bills. My cell phone bill is a bill that I'm going to pay month after month after month because I need my phone, right? That is what we have. We have customers that are going to order month after month after month because they love what they have their hands on. I have customers that have been with me literally for 6 years. I have been in this business for a little over 6 years, and I have customers that have been with me for that long because they look better, they feel better, they know that they're not gonna get all the nutrition that they need from their food. And so this is a way for them to keep their bodies healthy, for them to use natural skincare, natural, we have a hair supplement, we have liquid collagen, we have a keto lifestyle line, we have the body wraps that are absolutely phenomenal, completely transform my body. I look better now than before. I look better now after 3 babies than I did when my husband met me in college. It's phenomenal. So we have something for everyone, and I have customers that have been with me, and so that is residual income month after month after month. So as you are gathering these customers and they love your products, which they will, that's residual income in your pocket, which means that if you have a family emergency and you need to go sit in the hospital for 2 weeks, you're still gonna make money on those people that have joined your team previously. If you wanna go on vacation to Hawaii for a week, you can do that. And you can turn everything off for a minute and know that your check is still gonna be there. So that is the power of the residual income and the leverage time, my favorite thing about this industry. So if you have seen this online, which I'm sure a lot of you have probably seen, work from home gigs all over the place, that is the wave of the future. Everybody's making money online right now because we are an electronic society, right? I mean, we're an Amazon society where we want things instantly, which is also the great thing about the Ultimate Body Applicator because it gives you results in as little as 45 minutes. So people are looking for those instant results that will give you instant results. But it's a way for you to not only get healthier yourself, but generate income for your family. All right? So what else do I want to talk to you guys about? Talk to you about the debt-free company. Having first-to-market products is one of the most important things you can look at when you are deciding which company to join, okay? So that's one of the things I love about It Works is we have products that have no competition. You cannot go to the store and pick up our body wraps. You cannot go to the store and pick up our liquid collagen. You guys, our stuff is just absolutely phenomenal. And if you look into it a little bit more, if you're an ingredient junkie like I am, that is why I originally called my girlfriend, because I wanted to know, I wanted to look into these products, and when I took a deeper look, I was blown away by the quality and the integrity with which they're made. So what else do I want to share with you? There's so much. I honestly just wanted to share with you guys like the life-changing opportunity that this business could give you. Okay, so let's talk about how you can get started. It's $99 to get started. This is literally a risk-free investment. You're going to get currently the business builder kit will change, but currently you get $135 worth of product in your starter kit. Okay, so you're already coming out on top. Then we're instantly going to teach you how to earn a $100 shopping spree. You have 30 days to earn that, but most people can do it in their first week, okay? And we're gonna teach you how to start making money right away. Now, how you make that money will be completely up to you. Most people like to utilize social media because you have over 1 billion people at your fingertips right away. Some people wanna go do parties, which is super fun. Some people wanna go talk to businesses. You can go talk to chiropractors and gyms and salons and spas, and that's an amazing way to share these products as well. But a lot of people, they need the flexibility. They have, like I said, jobs, kids, commitments, and they need to be able to take this with them wherever they go. And so being able to work this business from your phone gives you that flexibility to weave this into your day whenever you have the time. So whether you are looking to make $300 a month or you're looking to make $30,000 a month, the sky is the limit. And you can do anything that you want to do with this business. Now, I know personally that it's super, super scary to get involved with something that you have never been a part of before. You're like, what's gonna happen when I join? Well, let me tell you what's gonna happen when you join. You are gonna be an independent business owner, which means you write your own paycheck, which I love. However, you are never gonna be in business by yourself because we are gonna teach you exactly what to do to get your business off the ground and to start making money day one. Okay, so you're gonna have all the training, all the support. We're literally gonna hold your hand and take you through this step by step, day by day, and we're gonna teach you how to be successful. So when I have somebody that partners with me, same with somebody on my team, when I have somebody on my team that a new distributor joins them, you get welcomed into this amazing family. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am obsessed with It Works. I absolutely love it. This pays all of my family's bills, and you guys, this is such a phenomenal opportunity. I never thought that somebody like me, who is honestly barely graduated high school, never been successful at anything really in my life, would be able to be successful at an industry like this. But you don't have to know a ton of people. I hadn't even tried the products when I first signed up to be a distributor. You just have to have a desire to have more in your life, and that's what I did. I was looking for something more. I was looking for a change for my family. I was just sick and tired of being sick and tired. I was tired of living paycheck to paycheck and fighting with my husband. And so we did something about it, and it was scary. It was scary to jump into something that I was completely unfamiliar with. Like I said, I'd never tried the products. I knew nothing about the company, but I was like, you know what? If I don't make this decision and I don't take this leap, my life is gonna look the exact same in 6 months than it does right now. And it's probably gonna get worse because things just get more expensive. Nothing gets less expensive. So anyway, I hope that you will get back with the person who sent you this video, ask any questions, and we are here to have a conversation. So thanks for watching, guys.